Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to be making today. We're going to be doing some acrylic pouring. We're going to be doing a traveling paint kiss acrylic pour, and GenCrafts actually sent me these pre-mixed ready to pour paints to try out. I was really excited that they wanted to send these to me to try because if you guys have seen any of my other videos, you know I love using my pre-mixed ready to pour paints. They're so easy to use. You just shake the bottle and pour. They have a neon set, a metallic set, and a 24-piece set, which is this set here. This is the set we're going to be using today. We're going to be using some white, some gray, which was really cool because I had an idea to do like a pink, gray, and white piece for a while. So I was really excited to see all of those colors in this set. So those are the colors we're going to be using today: pink, white, and gray, and a tiny bit of black. So all you have to do is shake the bottle and they're ready to go. I usually shake them up like an hour before I pour, and then the bubbles that you introduce while you're shaking the bottle kind of degas a bit on their own before you pour. So I'm going to be using two 12-ounce cups. Oh, and they also sent me their epoxy resin. They have resin as well. So I'm going to be making some coasters with their resin. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. I'm going to be uploading that video hopefully next week. So I have two 12-ounce cups here. I'm just alternating my colors. I was doing white, pink, gray, and then pink in one cup, and then I'm going to do opposite in this cup here, opposite order. So I'll start with the pink, add a little bit of white, some gray, and then some more white. And I'm going to put the empty bottles around the edge of my canvas so all the paint flows out around the perimeter of my canvas here, just like this. I'm going to smooth that out. That helps break the surface tension, so your paint will glide a little bit easier around the edges and the corners. So you just start in the bottom left corner, pour at a slow, even pace, and the whole point of this technique is to have your paint touching in mid-air as you're pouring both cups. And when I tilt these, I like to go to the top right corner, back to the center, down to the bottom right corner, back to the center, and then to the top left corner. Pretty super simple and easy. You can switch it up when you pour. Obviously, if you see a part that you really like in the painting and you don't want to tilt it off, definitely tilt how you want. But that's kind of the way I like to tilt this type of painting. And you don't have to pour in a diagonal line if you don't want to too. You could start in the middle and go vertically, or I mean horizontally across the canvas. It's up to you however you want to do it. I just think it's a really fun technique because it gives you really awesome lines in your paintings. So I'm just going to touch up the corners and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. I think it turned out really pretty. I'm interested to see how these paints dry. They're super easy to use. And of course, this is one of my favorite techniques. If you guys have seen any of my other videos, I love doing this technique just because the colors kind of, if you're using transparent colors, they lay on top of each other and it gives you some really fun depth and dimension in there. So I'm going to let this dry for probably about 48 hours. This one's an 11 by 14 canvas. I didn't mention that earlier. I apologize. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's all nice and dry, hanging up on the wall. Oh, and this little section right here, that one's my favorite part. It reminds me of like an agate slice. So here we are, it's about 48 hours later. I have it hanging up on the wall. I actually prefer this painting vertically, but it just wasn't videoing well when I had it vertically on the wall. But here it is. It dried really nice. Everything stayed put. It dried a little bit darker, but their paints do have a nice sheen or shine when they dry, which is really awesome. I really loved using these paints. They were so easy to use. You just shake the bottle and they're ready to go. And I used the neon set as well. I will have that video uploaded tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. And be sure to check out GenCrafts information. I will link all of the products down below in the description box so you can go check them out as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye!